Now, let's delve into what NZLC has to offer and explore the compelling reasons why your students should choose our school. Student satisfaction is of paramount importance to us, serving as a testament to our commitment to their well-being. An impressive 98% of our graduates respond affirmatively to the following two questions. 1. Would you recommend or have you recommended NZLC to family and friends? 2. Did NZLC assist you in achieving your goals? These high affirmative responses underscore our dedication to providing a positive and impactful educational experience. When it comes to supporting our students, it is a top priority for our team. We offer support from the beginning to the end, striving to address every possible need and ensure that their experience is comprehensive and fulfilling. In the realm of awards and accreditations, we take immense pride in our accomplishments. Over 5 consecutive years, from 2014 to 2018, we were honored as the winners of the St. Star English School Southern Hemisphere. Furthermore, we serve as a distinguished training center for Cambridge TKT and CELTA, and we are designated as an IELTS pre-testing center. These accolades stand as a testament to our unwavering commitment to excellence and the delivery of quality education, a commitment that has spanned 4 decades. Among our extracurricular electives and activities offered after classes, students can discover options designed to enhance their speaking skills and pronunciation. Workshops and information sessions are among the most popular after-class activities. Here, students can acquire comprehensive insights related to securing employment in New Zealand, covering everything from job searching techniques to crafting an effective CV. Additionally, our teachers are available to review your CV, providing you with the confidence you need before embarking on your job hunt. It's important to note that all our job workshops are offered free of charge. Our dedicated team ensures that the information provided to our students is both up-to-date and accurate. In November 2023, NZLC Auckland inaugurated its brand new campus, strategically positioned in the heart of Auckland's centre, along the renowned Queen Street. Within a few minutes' walk, you'll find iconic landmarks including the Sky Tower, the Civic Theatre, Auckland Art Gallery, the Auckland Library, and Albert Park, among others. The campus is conveniently located within walking distance of a diverse array of restaurants, shops, supermarkets, and public transportation options. Our new premises span 4 levels within a centrally located building at 242 Queen Street, right in the heart of the city centre. Students will have the opportunity to benefit from spacious classrooms equipped with the latest technology, including dedicated computers for exams, orientations, or video activities. Additionally, modern student lounges offer a cool atmosphere, enhancing your English experience and making every day enjoyable. Students will have the opportunity to benefit from spacious classrooms equipped with the latest technology, including dedicated computers for exams, orientations, or video activities. Additionally, modern student lounges offer a cool atmosphere, enhancing your English experience and making every day enjoyable. NZLC courses. Our most popular course is General English, which has the morning and evening options. The IELTS preparation course is recognized among students as a high-standard course and can be found on the morning and evening schedules. The Business English course is a 6-week full-time morning English course, very practical, and focuses on commonly used English and communication skills at work. Topics covered include business etiquette in different cultures, interview techniques, meetings, and telephone skills. By the end of the course, students will be able to deliver presentations with confidence. Cambridge courses, B2 First, FCE First Certificate in English, cover the 4 main language skills: reading, plus use of English, writing, listening, and speaking. Materials are taken from real-life sources, including published personal experiences, business meetings, and formal writings. Cambridge English B2 First, FCE, is a thorough test of all areas of language ability at an upper intermediate level. Both courses are on the morning timetable. Teacher training courses TESOL and TECSOL are intensive 6-week teacher training courses for non-native English speakers. Students study both the theory and practice of English language teaching to adults and children, aged between 6 and 12 years old, respectively. The course is suitable for people who would like to teach English but have not started yet, or who are already teaching and would like a formal qualification. And CELTA, Cambridge Certificate in Teaching English to Speakers of Other Languages, is the qualification you need to teach English to speakers of other languages in any country, both English and non-English speaking. Please note that these courses are allocated in the afternoon, and our Young Learners program is suitable for students between 14 to 17 years old. Under this program, we have two options: Young Learner General English, High School Preparation from January 8 to February 2, 2024, and English Plus Activities from July 8 to August 9, 2024. For more details information, please check our website www.nzlc.ac.nz. In this course chart, you will be able to see all our range of levels in General English and how they compare with the rest of the courses. This is our detailed NZLC's 2024 timetable with the courses you can find in the morning, afternoon and evening. General English and IELTS can be found in the morning and evening, while Business English, Cambridge courses and Young Learners programs are only on the morning timetable. Teacher training courses, TESOL, TECSOL, CELTA, are the only courses allocated in the afternoon timetable. You can also find part-time options, but those are subject to visa, as student visa holders cannot study part-time. In our course calendar 2024, you will be able to see all our courses, start dates of each one and duration, progress test week, exam dates for Cambridge and teacher training. This document is very useful to make a study plan based on the start date and duration of each course. Our General English course have a communicative approach in which Lesson A focuses on language systems and listening, speaking, reading and writing skills. And Lesson B builds confidence and fluency with a focus on listening and speaking. Please have a look at our latest nationality mix. This is the average number of student we have in this particular month divided by nationality. We keep this information available and update on our website in the download section. So, feel free to have a look every time you need. Choose the perfect accommodation for you. Being with a friendly and caring host family is one of the best ways to experience the Kiwi culture and at the same time practice your English outside the classroom. You will have an unforgettable time with your Kiwi family. It is very important for us and your host family to know if you have any special requests or needs, so we can make your stay as comfortable as possible. Enrollment process at NZLC. Once you have choose your course, and services, there are two ways you can send us the enrollment form so we can process it accordingly. Please note, some courses have specific start dates and availability. Check the NZLC course calendar for further details. The first option is to use our online form, which can be found on our website. Once it is completed in full, it will be sent directly to our enrollment team to be processed. The second and most commonly used option is to utilize our typable PDF form, which can be downloaded from our website. Please ensure that all sections of the form are completed so that our team can process it accordingly. Even if the answer is no, please mark it. Additionally, do not forget to tick the declaration and sign at the bottom. The placement test is mandatory for accepting students into academic courses and evening classes. Therefore, each time you encounter such cases, please request the student to complete the test before sending the enrollment form. Subsequently, we will forward the results to our academic department for assessment and confirmation of availability. Typically, this process may take up to 1 day. Our enrollment team will inform you of the student's acceptance status. Our online placement test, consisting of 3 parts, reading with use of English 60 questions to be completed in 40 minutes, followed by a 20-minute writing section, and concluding with a speaking test, can be accessed on our website. Kindly remind the student to use a computer or laptop equipped with a camera. To conclude, Please note that all the documents you may require are available for download from our website. These include brochures, information on fees and courses, the enrollment form, course calendar, insurance details, and the online placement test. Kindly take some time to familiarize yourself with this information and share it with your team. We sincerely appreciate your time spent reviewing this video. Please feel free to share it with your team and utilize it whenever necessary. Should you require further or more detailed information, please do not hesitate to contact us.